Hello, my dear students. Wish you all a very good morning. So, children, it is our computer class after so many days, right? So, do you remember what are we going to learn today? So, let's revise what we had learned in our in our that is previous class. Okay. So, children, we had learnt about input devices. Okay, so what is input device? An input device is a device that provides input to a computer, and this input is the instructions given to a computer. हम कंप्यूटर को जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं ना, ओके, सो दैट इज इनपुट डिवाइस इज अ डिवाइस, तो वो सारे so, input device is what? An input device is a device that provides input to a computer. Okay, and this input is the instructions given to a computer. जो भी हम instructions देते हैं वो input होता है. Okay, and in that input device we learned about keyboard, then we learned about mouse, then we learned about microphone, and then we learned about web camera, then about scanner, and we learned about joystick. Okay, so these are all input devices. With the help of this device we can give input to the computer. Okay, and now today we are going to learn about output devices. So now what is output device? An output device is a device that receives the output from the computer. Okay, and output device is a device that receives the output from the computer. क्या होता है, वो कंप्यूटर से आउटपुट रिसीव करता है. ओके, so now let's look at some output device. First one is monitor, the main screen which you look. Okay, the system. So it is a monitor. A monitor is used to display what you type or draw on a screen. जब भी आप कीबोर्ड से कुछ भी टाइप करते हो या फिर कुछ भी ड्रॉ करते हो, तो it is displayed on a monitor. Okay, and even you can see your drawing done in tux paint on a monitor. जब भी आप कुछ ड्राइंग बनाते हो तो वो आप माउस से या फिर कीबोर्ड से बनाते हो, राइट? बट उसका आउटपुट आपने क्या बनाया है इनपुट दे के, वो आउटपुट यू विल एबल टू सी इन द आउटपुट डिवाइस नेम्ड दैट इज monitor. Okay, now next one is a printer. A printer is used to print whatever you type or draw on a computer. आप जो भी टाइप और ड्रॉ करते हो ना, उसकी प्रिंट अगर निकालनी हो तो यू नीड अ प्रिंटर. अगर आपको वो प्रिंट नहीं निकालनी, अगर आप कंप्यूटर में रखना चाहते हो तो यू कैन, बट इफ़ यू वांट अ प्रिंट आउटपुट, आपको कुछ चाहिए और अगर आपको वो ड्राइंग की प्रिंट निकालनी है तो यू ऑलवेज नीड अ प्रिंटर. Okay, and it can be used to print the letter that you have typed for your grandparents or friends. जो आप लेटर टाइप करते हो, अगर वो आप मेल में सेंड कर देते हो तो इट्स ओके, बट इफ़ यू वांट अ प्रिंट आउट देन यू नीड अ प्रिंटर. ओके, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रिंट योर ड्राइंग यूजिंग दिस प्रिंटर. जो भी आप ड्रॉ करते हो, अच्छा वाला पेंटिंग कुछ बनाते हो, ड्राइंग करते हो, एंड इफ़ यू वांट अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ दैट देन यू ऑलवेज नीड अ printer. Now next one is a speaker. Speaker you all must be knowing, right? A speaker plays different sounds processed by a computer. आप जो भी सॉन्ग बजाना चाहते हो या फिर वॉट एवर, देन अ स्पीकर प्लेज different sounds. Okay, and it is used to listen to sounds while playing games or watching movies on a computer. जब आप गेम खेलते हो, जब आप कार वाली गेम खेल रहे हो तो कितने अच्छे अच्छे साउंड्स आते हैं ना, लाइक जूम जूम. सो so if you want to listen to those sounds then you always need a speaker, and it makes your games and music very interesting, right? And even if you are watching a movie on a computer you always need a speaker for the sound. अगर आप स्पीकर के बिना मूवी देखोगे तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू हियर द साउंड, है ना, फिर वो एकदम साइलेंट एक्शन मूवी हो जाएगा. So you always need a speaker if you want to listen something, or while playing games, or while watching movies on a computer. Then next comes a headphone. Nowadays you all must be using this, right? So a headphone is used to listen to music or other sounds without disturbing others. हेडफोन में क्या होता है, जो आप सुनते हो वो अगर कोई रूम में बैठा है तो वो कोई और नहीं सुन पाएगा, बिकॉज थ्रू दिस द साउंड विल गो ओनली टू यू इन योर ईयर्स. ओके, it won't go in someone else's ears, right? So, a headphone is used to listen to music or other sounds without disturbing others. For example, if you say that nowadays you are studying on your laptop or computer, right? And when ma'am's class is going on, और आपके घर में कोई गेस्ट आया है, okay? And if you do not want to disturb them, so what we will use? You will use your phone or you will use the headphone. So, okay, so it is a output device, right? Next comes draw and color, an output device that can be used to print an invitation card stored in a computer. This is very easy, and write down its name below. I told you whenever you want to take some print of your drawing or anything, what you will use, you have to try drawing that picture. I know you cannot draw it perfectly, चलेगा, आपको जैसा आता है करो draw. यहाँ पे you have to write its name. Okay, यहाँ पे you have to write its name. So you have to draw and color an output device that can be used to print an invitation card stored in a computer. It is very easy, so please don't get confused, right? Now, did you know the CPU is neither an input nor an output device? CPU जो होता है ना, it is not an input or not an output device. Input device भी नहीं है, output device भी नहीं है. It only processes the information given by the input devices and sends the result to the output device. ये एक मीडिएटर का काम करता है. हम जो इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं ना, इनपुट वो अंदर तक पहुंचाता है, फिर आउटपुट हमारे तक पहुंचाता है. ओके, it sends the result to the output devices. Therefore it is called the processor. ये क्या करता है? It processes the information given by the input devices and send the result to the output devices. जब हम इनपुट कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं तो अंदर तक पहुंचाता है, और अंदर से कुछ बाहर दैट इज आउटपुट चाहिए तो वो भी वर्क इट डज, राइट? सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द प्रोसेसर. नेक्स्ट कम्स अ स्टोरेज डिवाइस. So it is storage devices. A computer uses the monitor, then printer and speaker to give the output after processing the input given to it. So what happens? A computer uses the monitor, printer and speaker to give the output, right? Now devices such as CDs and pen drives are used to store the are used to store the output from the computer. हमें कोई सॉन्ग्स चाहिए या फिर कोई मूवी या फिर फोटोग्राफ्स फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर, राइट? तो वी कैन इवन कॉपी देम इन अ CD, फिर वो हमारे पास रहेगी, एंड वेन एवर वी वॉन्ट टू वॉच इट वी कैन यूज़ इट लेटर ऑल्सो, राइट? So these are the storage devices like CDs and pen drives. You know na, pen drives nowadays, when you want to get something in your computer, कुछ आपको कंप्यूटर में डालना है या फिर कंप्यूटर से कुछ लेना है या फिर लेके स्टोर करना है, तो we will always use a pen drive and we will also use CDs also, right? And therefore CDs and pen drives are output devices that can also function as the storage devices of a computer. So CDs and pen drives are also output device, okay, and they are also storage devices also. So CDs and pen drives are output devices that can also function as the storage device of a computer. ये दोनों output device भी है and इसके साथ साथ they are the storage devices also, right? Now what you have to do here, that is word galaxy, you have to write down the word given inside each cloud in the blank spaces provided next to it. instructions. So you have to write here instructions, instructions, instructions. Then comes processing, then processing, processing, and processing. Then digital, then digital, then digital, and again digital. Last one is storage, 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 storage. You have to write down these words and you have to learn. Okay, you don't have to just copy it. Okay, children. So here we end our chapter, and in our next class we will do our textbook and even workbook also. Okay, till then your homework is you have to read the chapter. Okay, you have to read the chapter and you have to learn these words also. Okay, so that's all for today's computer class. Thank you and have a very good day.